Hey guys, check out this mini humidifier by Ugreen. A stylish yet portable that's great for home and office. Yes, never face dryness anymore from now on. In addition, it is also can act as a night lamp for your bedroom. Alright, let's have a closer look on it. Here are what you get in the box. The mini humidifier itself, USB-C cable that powers it, an extra cotton stick. Finally, the user manual in multiple languages to get you started in no time. Excellent build quality with sturdy plastic housing. It can store up to 400 ml of water in the water tank. And no worry about leakage once you lock it tight. Here is the cotton stick that helps to filter out all the dirty stuff in the water. Yes, it does the cleaning job well. You can power it with a power bank or AC adapter. Place it anywhere that you prefer. Totally up to you. It supports two modes of mix output, continuous and intermittent spraying. Press the power button for the first mode. Press again for the second mode. Again to power off. As for night lamp, just long press the power button to turn it on and off. By the way, it will automatically turn off after 6 hours. Enjoy fresh and moist air with the Nano Mist. Wait no more and get your Ugreen mini humidifier too. That's all. Thanks for watching. Peace.